Good evening, dear students. Welcome back to the maths class. Last week we had discussions about the passages. This week we are going to continue the maths lesson. See, today's chapter is types of numbers. In types of numbers, we are going to discuss odd numbers and even numbers. You are familiar with this concept. But once again, I am going to introduce this concept to you. See, in this session, the following things I would like to discuss with you. First, I will introduce the concept. Next, I will introduce how to identify the odd numbers and even numbers. After that, let us do two small exercises to find out odd numbers and even numbers. At the end, we are going to discuss about the properties of odd numbers and even numbers. With this introduction, let me start the concept. See, when the number of things are given, for example, I have written some things here. Here I have chosen dot. See here, one dot is there. Here two dots are there. Here three are there. 4 up to 10 I have written. So when number of things are given, see, you can pair them. Pair means two dots or two things can be clubbed together. See, one you cannot pair because only one thing is here. Here two you can make a pair. This is one pair. Okay. After making pair, see, nothing is left. Here one thing you cannot make pair. One thing is left here. See, now let us go to 3. How many pairs can we make? Raghav, how many pairs can we make if we take 3 things?
Sir, one pair we can make, but one will be remaining. One dot will be remaining.
Excellent. One pair we made and one thing is remaining. Now, Yash, can you tell me, when 4 things are taken, how many pairs can you make?
2 pairs, sir.
Very good. Are there any things left out without pairing?
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
Nothing is left. Vinmay, how many pairs can you make when you take 5 things?
2 pairs. Sir, 2 pairs.
2 pairs you can make it. How many things are left out without pairing? One thing is left out. Okay. Now, Naksh, are you in the class? Yashvita, you tell me, how many pairs can you make if you take 6 things?
Sir, 3.
Very good. 1 pair, 2 pairs, 3 pairs. Here, nothing is left out. See, when you take 7, how many pairs can you make? Sahana?
Yes, sir.
When you take 7 things, how many pairs can you make out?
3 pairs, sir.
How many things will be left out without pairing?
1.
1 is left out here. See, now let us pass on to 8. Raksha, can you tell me how many pairs can you make when you take 8 things?
Sir, 4.
4 pairs. Do anything remain here?
No, sir.
Nothing is left out. Now, Yogesh, when you take 9 things, how many things can you make?
4,
How
sir.
many pairs? Sorry. You tell me how many pairs can you make?
Sir, 4.
4 pairs. And how many things will be left out? 1 thing. See, when you take 10, you see here? Here.
5.
How many pairs are made? 5 pairs are
5 pairs are made.
Nothing is left out. See, a certain pattern you can observe when you make pairs. See, one thing is left out here. In 2, nothing is left out. Here nothing is left out. Here nothing is left out. Here. Means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Nothing is left. But when you take 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 1 will be left without pairing. See, such numbers are called odd numbers. Here 1 is odd number. 3 is odd number because one thing is left out. 5 is odd number. 7 is odd number.
9.
9 is odd number. See, when nothing is left out, when you make pairs, such numbers are called even.
Even number.
Even number.
Even number.
Very good.
Even number.
Even. 10 is also even number. See here,
Even.
what we have observed is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are odd numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 are even numbers. See, the definition is when you make pairs, if nothing is left, it is even number. When one thing is left out without pairing, it is odd number. Okay? See, how can you check whether a given number is odd number or even number? Now let us do that one. See, when big numbers are given, how can you identify the given number is an odd number or an even number? See, for that one, we can use one method. Because since we are pairing these numbers, you can divide the number by 2. For example, 2068. You can divide that number by 2. If the remainder is 0, then that number is even number. If the remainder is 1, that number is odd number. See, I will try that one. 2068 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2. I will take 0. 2 zeros are 0. Take 6 down. 2 threes are 6. Take down 8. 2 fours are 8. See, what is the remainder in this case? 0.
0.
See, when you
Sir,
make
0.
pairs, 1034 pairs are made
0.
and nothing is left out. So this number is even number. See, like that only, you can divide all the numbers. If the remainder comes 1, see, let me take one more number. See, I will take one more number, 913, and I will divide it by 2. 2 fours are 8. 1 remainder. Take 1 down. 2 fives are 10. 1 remainder. 3.
Sir,
2 6 are
if you leave the remainder.
yes. The 1 remainder is there. So this is odd number.
Odd number, sir.
When you divide that number by 2, if you get remainder 1, that number is odd number. If remainder is 0, then that number is called even number. See, without dividing also you can identify the given number as odd number or even number without dividing very easily. For that, you need to notice the units, digit in the units place. See, for example, here, in the units place, if it is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then those numbers are even numbers. See, for example, here, units place 8 is there, that number is even number. Because those numbers are exactly divisible by 2. Here 2 is there, no need to divide this whole number. You can easily say this is also even number. Now, Vishal, will you please tell me, here in the units place 7 is there. What kind of number is it?
Sir, odd number.
Very good. When in the units place 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These digits are there. Such numbers will be odd numbers. Here 7 is there in the units place. This number is odd number. Okay. Next one. Here you can notice 2 is there. This number is even number.
Even.
See here 3 is there. This is odd number. See, this method you can use to identify the given number as odd number or even number. One thing is you can divide, or without dividing, just by observing the digit in the units place, you can identify whether the given number is an odd number or even number. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 even numbers and 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 in the units place,